Now I'm gonna show you how different ginger and Thai ginger.
Come on and cool with me at Asian Scenic.
Hi, I'm Gary, cooking ambassador from Scenic Thai Cooking School, Chiang Mai, Thailand. Now I'm gonna show you how different ginger and Thai ginger, or someone called Thai ginger, called Galangal. This is ginger, or the regular ginger. This is a ginger, and we use its root. Okay, this is the root of ginger, and I'm sure you guys know ginger. Okay, this one we use its root. We use ginger for tea, for stir fry, but I'm sure you can find easy in your country, and this is a fresh one from here. Okay, but we have the other ginger we call Thai ginger or Galangal. This one, the one is bigger. Okay, someone that proud because everything in Thailand is smaller than your country, but Thai ginger or Galangal is bigger, and this is its root. Okay, this is its root. Okay, you see this root and this stalk sprout like this. Okay, Thai ginger we use for soup. If you guys know tom yum soup, you guys know coconut milk soup, we use this one. Okay, this regular ginger, this one Thai ginger or Galangal. Many people like to say Thai people love to eat spicy. Sorry, we don't love to eat spicy, but we have no choice because everything in Thailand is spicy. We have to find some ingredients to balance our spicy. We put this one, Thai ginger or Galangal, in our curry paste, in our soup, because this one is quite sweet and this one is quite hot. Regular ginger is quite spicy, quite hot, but this one quite sweet. Okay, we have to put the sweet ginger in curry, in the curry paste, in spicy soup. If you guys have no Galangal, please don't use the regular ginger because it's totally different flavor. But you guys can find in the dry one. But if you have no fresh, use the dry one. It's better than you use the powder one. But I'm sure you can find in your Asian shop or Thai supermarket. Okay, this ginger, this one Thai ginger or Galangal. If you have any question about Thai cooking, you can ask me in comment, or if you like this clip, please don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell, and see you next clip. Bye bye.
You're gonna cook like a real Thai at Asian
But actually that's our show off. Okay, so actually we